Hey, thank you for stopping by eGen Solutions YouTube channel for another tutorial. I really appreciate you being here. If this video helps you out, I hope you'll give it a like and always subscribe so you can keep up with the things that little how-to things that we're doing for social media for your business. In the meantime, this is an update to the video that talks about how to invite your friends to like your business page, and some things have changed since the last one. I feel like these changes happen so fast, but that's Facebook. So let's get into it. So a number of you have of course noticed that things have changed. I'm going to show you two different ways where you're going to find the ability to invite your friends. Now, this view that we're looking at right here is when you go right to the page and you are admin. So this may be what some of you are seeing. You're seeing your page like this. If you have set up your account in Facebook Business Manager, this is how you're going to see your page. So you can see here is a little bit different of a view, a little bit different of a format. Now, I will warn you that Facebook does want all businesses to go over to that Facebook Business Manager. So at some point, you will probably start seeing this one change, and you're gonna have to go over to that Facebook Manager, Business Manager format. If you have not set that up, I'm putting the link in this video description. That'll get you started on setting up your Facebook Business Manager account. So let's get into it. Here it is. This is the one. This is if you're admin, you are not on Facebook Business Manager. It is so easy to now invite your friends. You come all the way over here to these three little dots, select that, scroll all the way down, select invite friends, and this is how you can invite them. Don't forget this little button here. You can send up to 50 invites to your friends in Messenger, which sometimes is a little bit easier if they're not getting notifications or they're not looking at their emails. This will actually send it right into Messenger for you. So there you go, a little tip. If you are working in Facebook Business Manager and your page looks like this, you're still going to look for those three dots. They're going to be right here. You simply select that and scroll down to invite friends. There it is. Select it. You'll come over here. You'll get the same, a little bit different. You'll get the same information. And again, you will have that option to send 50 invites to your friends through Messenger. Now, keep in mind too that you only can invite them once. If they choose not to like your page, that's the deal. You don't get to invite them again. So no spamming. Be nice to your friends and tell them why you'd want them to like your page. So there it is. If anyone else has any questions, please drop comments, because I try to do these videos and update them as I hear from you. So to those of you that kept saying, Jennifer, do the invite, this is for you. Thank you so much. And I hope this video helped you out. Bye-bye.